Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Sekina Tuba, and if this is your first time stopping by, if this is your first time seeing this beautiful face, you're most definitely welcome. In today's video, we're going to be talking about ingredient that you shouldn't add to your black soap, part 3. Now, when it comes to black soap, traditionally made African black soap, it usually contains naturally deriving ingredients like plantain pods, palm kernel oil, shea butter. These are basically the roots, the base ingredients of African black soap itself. Now, African black soap, we tend to use it in different formulations for like acne, black soap, lightning black soap, dark spot black soap, and all sorts of formulations. Now, when you're formulating your black soap, there are some ingredients that should never be in your black soap, and that is what we are going to be talking about today. Now, I've done two parts to this video where I talked about ingredients that you shouldn't add to your black soap. Make sure to check those out if you haven't already. Without further ado, let's jump right into today's video. Number one on the list is fragrance. Fragrance is one ingredient that I've mentioned before in one of my videos, that you don't necessarily need fragrance in your black soap. This is also a lot of questions that I've gotten from a lot of you guys, that can I add fragrance to my black soap? What kind of fragrance should I add to my black soap? Do you recommend? Is fragrance important? Like, I've gotten a lot of questions on it. This is why fragrance should not be in your black soap, is because fragrances can irritate the skin, and also they can contain harmful chemicals. You want your black soap to scent nice, or you want to have a sweet smell, try to use essential oils to give your soap that beautiful and pleasant smell. So you can use lavender oil, you can use lemon oil, you can use sunflower oil. So try to look into essential oils to scent your soap or to add fragrance to your soap. Now, our second ingredient that should never go into your black soap are sulfates. Sulfates are harsh detergents that can strip the skin of its natural oils, which can lead to dryness and irritation. So any kind of sulfate should not go in your black soap, because black soap naturally is a drying ingredient. Black soap naturally is very drying and is an exfoliant. So when you're adding a drying ingredient like sulfate into your black soap, then you are just doing the most. That way your skin will start to be irritated, you're going to start having dry skin, you're going to start having itchy and flaky skin, and we don't want that. There's something that's just not necessary. Example of sulfates are like iron sulfate, copper sulfate. You don't need anything sulfate in your black soap, because black soap itself is drying already and it is ash already. Now, the third ingredient that shouldn't go into your black soap are mineral oils. Mineral oils are basically oils that are derived from petroleum. Now, mineral oils can clog your pores and they can suffocate your skin. I do not want clogged pores, because clogged pores is what leads to a lot of skin blemishes. When your pores are clogged, it will lead to whiteheads and blackheads. It will lead to pimples. It will lead to cysts. It will lead to boil, because when your pores are clogged, then none of your products would penetrate into your skin. That's basically it. It basically means your pores, like, it has been blocked, and no amount of ingredient, no matter how expensive your product is, it will not penetrate into the skin. So that's like one of the major things you need to watch out for in skincare, is not to use things that will clog your pores. So mineral oil should be exempted from your black soap completely. Now, the fourth ingredient that shouldn't go in your black soap are parabens. Okay, parabens should not be in your skincare at all. At all. Why did I say that? Parabens are preservatives that can disrupt the hormone function, and parabens have also been linked to breast cancer, and we do not want that. Okay, we don't want to use your beauty or your quest for beauty to affect your general health. So parabens should be avoided completely, not only in black soap but in your skincare altogether. And number 5 ingredient that you shouldn't add to your black soap, I think I've talked about this before, is artificial colorant. Artificial colorant can cause skin irritation, okay, and they are just generally unnecessary in black soap. Because why are you coloring your black soap? Black soap, like I've said in some of my videos before, is supposed to have a natural brownish color. But black soap is not even black. Black soap has a brownish, this earthy brown color, and that's what your black soap should look like. Like, why do you want to make your black soap pink? Why do you want to make your black soap yellow? Why do you want to make your black soap green? Like, It's just unnecessary. It's just unnecessary. And then you might be tempted to make your black soap look appealing, but for what? Everyone know what black soap look like. Everyone, not everyone, but we know what black soap look like. So why trying to make your black soap pretty? And if you feel the need to add colorant or to add colors to your black soap, you can use natural colors like camwood powder, like turmeric powder. There are a lot of natural ingredients that add color to your soap. If you use enough turmeric, your soap will have this yellow color. If you use enough camwood powder, your soap will have enough red color. So just play around with natural ingredient, natural colorant. The last but not the least, number 6 ingredient that should not go in your black soap is chemical preservatives. Yeah, this I've been a victim of this in the past. I have done this in the past. I've used chemical preservatives in my black soap in the past, but just a few times. If you notice a lot of my videos, if you go watch a lot of my black soap formulations, I do not use preservative at all. And that's another question that I get quite often from you guys, like Sakina, what preservative are you using? Is it compulsory for me to add preservative to my soap? What preservative should I use? What preservative do you use? A lot of the time, 90 out of 100 time, I do not add preservative to my black soap at all, because I don't add ingredients that are that degrade. I don't add ingredients that, if you watch my video, my first ingredient not to add to your black soap, so I don't add ingredient that reduce the quality of my soap. I don't add ingredient that would depreciate the function or the appearance of my soap. So I really don't use preservative in my black soap. But if you want to use preservatives, try looking into natural preservative like vitamin E. Vitamin E is a very good preservative. If I want a preservative to my black soap, I will usually use vitamin E oil. Yeah, that's a very good preservative for your black soap. Now that is all the ingredient that I have for you guys today. A tip for you guys: if you are buying a store-bought packaged black soap, if you are not making yours yourself, if you're buying a store bought black soap, it is important to check the list of ingredients on your black soap and make sure these ingredients are skin friendly and non-irritative. This is very important. That's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, if you like this video, make sure to give it a huge thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button down below and hit the bell button so you get notified every single time I upload a new video. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.